This is a straightforward software comparison. An AI voice guides the walkthrough.
Varianse delivers a feature-driven trading environment built specifically around execution quality and institutional-grade infrastructure. Core features include a true ECN model that aggregates pricing from more than 20 liquidity providers, including Tier 1 banks and non-bank institutions, giving traders access to deep liquidity and highly competitive market pricing. The platform supports ultra-tight spreads that can reach 0 pips on major Forex pairs during high liquidity sessions, combined with low latency execution and deep market depth visibility. These features are especially valuable for scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic strategies that depend on precision fills, minimal slippage, and consistent execution under fast market conditions. From a trading functionality perspective, Varianse is clearly designed for professional use cases. Traders have access to advanced order types, expert advisor compatibility, and systematic trading support without artificial restrictions. Full market depth allows traders to see liquidity beyond the top of the book, while fixed API access on higher tiers enables direct connectivity for institutions, prop-style traders, and high-volume strategies. Educational and analytical resources at Varianse are designed to complement this execution-first approach. Instead of generic trading tutorials, the content focuses on practical topics such as spread behavior, execution mechanics, transaction cost analysis, and how liquidity impacts real-world trading outcomes. This makes the platform well-suited for traders who already understand the basics and want to refine performance. Beginners can still use the platform, but they should expect a steeper learning curve compared to brokers built around mass market onboarding. Varianse was established in 2015 by former engineers and traders from leading Tier 1 banks, with the goal of making institutional grade execution and pricing available to a wider range of traders. Since launch, it has expanded to serve clients in more than 100 countries and positioned itself as a specialist broker focused on technology, liquidity sourcing, and execution transparency rather than size alone. Only after understanding these features does the account structure become relevant. Varianse offers 3 main account types: Classic, ECN Pro, and Prime. The Classic account is designed for accessibility, offering a straightforward trading setup for lower volume traders. The ECN Pro account is built for active and professional traders, providing raw spreads, full market depth, and advanced execution tools. The Prime account targets high net worth and institutional traders with customized liquidity, negotiable conditions, and significantly higher entry requirements. Leverage can go up to 1 to 500 depending on region, and minimum deposits scale across tiers from relatively low on Classic to substantially higher on Prime. Overall, Variance's structure rewards execution discipline, trading volume, and professional style strategies rather than casual or purely experimental trading. Orbex focuses on delivering a balanced trading environment that blends accessibility with professional-grade tools, making it suitable for both developing traders and more experienced market participants. The platform provides access to Forex, metals, indices, energies, and other CFD markets through well-known trading platforms, with execution designed around a no-dealing desk model. This structure helps reduce conflicts of interest and supports fairer pricing during normal market conditions. Traders benefit from stable execution, flexible leverage options, and support for scalping and expert advisors, which makes Orbex adaptable to different trading styles rather than locking users into one specific approach. The broker integrates Trading Central tools, market analysis, webinars, and structured educational resources directly into the trading ecosystem. This makes it easier for traders to understand market behavior, refine strategies, and improve risk management over time. For newer traders, this educational focus adds real value, while more advanced traders can still benefit from analysis tools and VPS support for automated strategies. On the downside, Some traders report that execution during highly volatile periods can feel less competitive compared to pure ECN-focused brokers, and others note that the platform experience, while solid, is more traditional rather than cutting edge. Orbex has been operating since 2011, giving it a longer track record than many newer brokers in the retail trading space. Over more than a decade, it has positioned itself as a regulated, client-focused broker with a strong presence in multiple regions. This history contributes to its credibility, especially for traders who value longevity, regulatory continuity, and consistent service delivery over aggressive marketing. While it may not chase ultra-low spreads at all times, its stability and structured approach appeal to traders who prioritize reliability and support. Only after understanding the trading environment does pricing come into focus. Orbex offers three main account types: Starter, Premium, and Ultimate. The Starter account is designed for entry-level traders offering variable spreads with no commission and lower minimum investment requirements. The Premium account targets more active traders, featuring spreads from 0 pips with a fixed commission per lot and access to more advanced tools. The Ultimate account is built for high volume and professional traders, offering tighter pricing, lower commissions, priority services, and higher minimum investment thresholds. Across all accounts, leverage can go up to 1 to 500. Depending on regulation, minimum trade sizes start small, and features like scalping, expert advisors, VPS access, and Trading Central are supported, with added benefits scaling as traders move up account tiers. Looking at public feedback, Varianse currently holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.4. Customers frequently mention smooth execution, transparent pricing, and helpful customer support, with positive comments around platform stability and ease of onboarding. Orbex holds a Trustpilot rating of 4.3. Many reviews highlight fast onboarding, strong educational resources, and responsive support teams, while some mixed feedback points to occasional withdrawal delays or average execution during high volatility. Final takeaway: if you're a technically focused trader who prioritizes execution quality, deep liquidity, and a professional ECN-style environment, Varianse stands out as a specialist broker built around performance. If you prefer a more balanced platform that combines solid execution, structured education, and a longer operating history, Orbex offers a well-rounded trading experience that supports growth over time. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to access the platform that actually fits how you trade, manage risk, and grow with confidence in the markets.